Hey Jason, okay, so this is a review of Still, Still, Still. You're gonna start second finger on E at the beginning. 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4. And then here's our main melody. Same note. 3, 5 on C, 2 on E, 3 on G, C is a 1. Kind of scooch down to C position. C, E, D, D, F, B, B, 2 on D, 1 on C. That's the hard part. I'd work on that little ending right there. But going on. You're in C position, just stick with that. 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3. See the pattern? 2, 2, 3, 4, 2. That's the same one, same pattern. 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. There's the whole page. I'm going to start back on the pickup to bar 9, where it says the Virgin's tender arms enfolding. We're going to start right on an E, third finger. E, D, D, E, F, D, E, E, F, G, E, D, D, E, F, D, E, E, F, G, G. One more time with me, same thing. We're third finger on E. E, D, D, E, F, D, E, E, F, G, E, D, D, E, F, D, G, G, E, F, F. That thing on top of that last note is called a fermata. It looks like an eyebrow and an eye. Some people call it a bird's eye. So that top note is your new note for the next page. So we're going to do basically the same thing at 13 that we did at 5. It's the same melody, exactly the same way. So you kind of know it. Okay, so here's bar 13, which is like still, still, still. Ready? Go. Still, still, still. Scoot down to to C position. He sleeps this night so chill. The note after that in bar 16, I was going to ask you to cross out. I just don't like it. It doesn't sound good. So just cross out that D in the end of bar 16, the last note in bar 16. And then you get to the part that you've already played, like at the beginning. So just like at the beginning, here's how it'll sound like. Oops, let me try that again. So it's exactly the same as the beginning. So if you needed to practice the beginning again, you could do it here. And then the last 4 notes are gorgeous. Let's just take the right hand because it's pretty easy. So you're still on that same second finger on E that you started the piece with. And it's going to go like this. E, D, E, F, G, same thing. D, E, F, G, E. Let's play that together. 21. What I just did 2 times. Ready, go. E, D, E, F, G, E, D, E, F, G, E. And then, weird thing happens there. You go into bass clef with the right hand. So your right hand's going to have to hop down to an E. That's an E down here, below middle C. So you're going to go E, G, G in the right hand. Okay, so here's what 21, 22, and 23 will sound like. E, D, E, F, G, E, D, E, F, G, E. Scooch down to this E, G, E, G. And then your left hand gets to cross over and do the last note, which is kind of fun to do a little hand crossing action. So while the right hand's doing this, the left hand does this. This is bass C, C, G. I'm using the pedal down there, by the way. And then it has this really interesting chord. after that. It's a G7 chord, but it's what we call voiced in a really weird way, meaning the notes are kind of clustered together, so you get this kind of cool little cluster chord. This is the end of bar 21, and it's D on the bottom, F and G. Try that for me. D, F, and G. 4, 2, and 1. So that bar 21 will go C, G. Isn't that nice? Again, C, G. Look for the lowest note of the chord when you're hopping somewhere. D, F, and G. You might even practice on your fall board or just the back part of your piano. Kind of pinky, thumb, and then it's going to be 4, 2, 1. I don't know if you can see that there. There we go. Pinky, thumb, 4, 2, 1. Pinky, thumb, 4, 2, 1. And just getting that kind of tripod kind of a feel on the interesting chord D, F, and G. Kind of cool. You have to practice hopping up there. Aim for the lowest note though, your D. That's where you're going to be going. Kind of envision where that is. Always build your chords up from the bottom. And then bar 22 starts the same, but we have a really cool chord here. It's A flat, A flat, C, D. Isn't that a nice one? So 22 will sound like this. Kind of mysterious. Okay, so here's 21. And then 22. Kind of dark. I love it. I love it. Okay, so here's what 21 will sound like one more time. C, G, D, F, G from the bottom up. Same two notes. C, G, A flat, C, D. Then, in the last two bars, you got a super low C and a G. Kind of like the same first two notes you had at 21 and 22, but down an octave. Cross hands, and you've got an E under a C. E and C, where you cross under. Okay, so let me just play for you what the ending will sound like so you can kind of hear it. Although we'll have to work on putting the hands together, but just so you can kind of get the picture. Isn't that nice? Okay, so I'm going to play for you the whole piece through, the way that we've practiced it. So we haven't done the left-hand part at bar 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's really definitely the hard part. But everything else, including the ending, we just learned. So here's how it goes. Feel free to join in. Maybe I'll go slowly the first time. Okay, here it is slowly. 2 on E, and then power fifth on middle C. C and G. Here we go, slow. And then here's your melody. Still, still, still. He sleeps this night so chill. The Virgin's tender arms enfolding, warm and safe the child are holding. Same note, still, still. He sleeps this night so chill. And then it's just like the beginning. So find your middle C. left hand down to C here, and your right hand just stays on that same E that you started with.